sharing those breaking, we shift our focus to other breaking news coming in, where we learn that there is a crucial huddle that is being held at 7 LKM, that is the Prime Minister's residence, where Prime Minister Modi is sharing a key meeting. The meeting includes Union Home Minister Amit Shah, External Affairs Minister S. Jaishankar and NSA Ajit Doval. They were a part of the meeting, is what we know. Remember, the Prime Minister has been holding back-to-back meetings as far as on Operation Sindoor is concerned. This crucial meet, which just started a few minutes back, also has Union Home Minister Amit Shah, External Affairs Minister S. Jaishankar and National Security Advisor Ajit Doval. This is a crucial meeting that is being held. Just few days back, the Prime Minister also held another meeting. Remember, all of these meetings are happening in the backdrop of the success of Operation Sindoor and to churn out a future strategy on how India is going to deal with Pakistan if they try to act on any other nefarious plot. Remember, Prime Minister Modi along with Rajnath Singh has made it amply clear that India will not tolerate any further provocation, that an act of terror and future act of terror will now be considered as an act of war. Just in fact, earlier today it was Rajnath Singh who gave a big indication, saying that Operation Sindoor is not over yet and whatever we saw in the past few weeks was just a trailer. On your screen, viewers, are the visuals of the key huddle that is being held at the Prime Minister's residence. Heavyweights have been entering Prime Minister's residence. To give you a quick roundabout of who all are already there, we have the Union Home Minister, External Affairs Minister S. Jaishankar and NSA Ajit Doval. It's time for us to now slip into a short break, but after the break we'll also get you all the crucial details of what was discussed inside the key meeting at 7 LKM, which is still underway. It has already been nearly 1.5 hours since the meeting started.